In front of me is Emporia SMART point 5, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing options. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll all the way down to access System. Then click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Emporia Keyboard. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on this icon next to the chosen one, or tap on the chosen one and apply the best option for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!